With Cluck and Flap returning in November, the AIA Carnival opening on December 18th, and the world's biggest bouncy house festival happening at the end of the year, there is a lot going on in Hong Kong over the coming months. Right now, event organizers and producers across the city are preparing for what some people have affectionately referred to as silly season. That part of the year where it seems there is constantly some activity or function taking place. From weddings to networking activities and even exhibitions at the Asia World Expo and Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Centers, a lot of work will go into the planning and production of any events being held over the next 3 to 4 months. Unfortunately, despite all the best laid plans, things can still go wrong, and without adequate support, even the most prepared event organizer can get caught unaware by the unexpected. Thankfully, event insurance is here to help. Event insurance is the name given to the type of policy which bundles separate insurance protections for the sole intention of covering the risks associated with events. There are no one-size-fits-all solutions when it comes to event insurance, because each policy is built and tailored for the specific event or production company that it will be covering. This makes event insurance an extremely personalized type of protection, as you, the policyholder, are in absolute control to select and protect against the risks that you are concerned about. Whether the venue you are renting has required third-party liability insurance in order for the function to be held, or you are worried about the accidental destruction of photographic materials after your event, it is possible to build the perfect event insurance policy no matter what type of event you may be hosting. For many types of events, the only type of required insurance is going to be public liability protection. This is usually a requirement of venues renting the space to third parties, and is true as your event is taking place at a facility owned by the Leisure and Cultural Services Department. This can lead organizers to purchase only the mandatory insurance coverage, which can mean financial exposure should any untoward situations develop. No matter if you are holding a concert, festival, or music recital, a comedy show, a sports tournament, a networking function, a wedding, or a commercial exhibition, there is an event insurance plan that can be built and tailored to your specific needs as an organizer. For example, what would happen if the headlining band at your 3-day music festival didn't show up because they got sick? Or what would happen if a Typhoon Signal 8 was raised on the day of your outdoor wedding at the Hong Kong Country Club? Or what would you do if all your samples were stolen out of your stall at an exhibition at the HKI? All of these are very real risks that event organizers can encounter, and which can put exceptional financial strain on a company or family as they attempt to recover prepaid expenses or settle liability claims in the face of a crisis. Contact an expert broker at CCW Global to learn more about how event insurance can help you. Otherwise, that's us for this week. We hope you have a happy and healthy weekend, and remember to like and subscribe to keep current with all our insurance news. Don't forget to ask CCW about your insurance. Swift, simple, sorted.